So today is a product review and I'm going to be reviewing the Video Doorbell by 360. Hey everybody, how's it going? It's John from HASSCASTS here. Sorry I haven't been here for a while, but that's the way things go. Right, so first let me tell you a few things about the doorbell. It is a 1080p HD doorbell. It has infrared night vision. It can send a notification to up to 5 people. It can send it instantly or after the sort of person has been stood at the door for 15 seconds. It comes with an indoor chime kit, which also acts as a Wi-Fi extender, and it is the chime kit that accepts the SD card. The SD card will allow you to record locally, and it records on an endless loop. It does come with a free cloud subscription. You don't have to pay for it. It records 48 hours on a continuous loop. The product itself is from China, but the cloud storage is in the EU. It works on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, as most Internet of Things devices do. Now it's got 3 different distances that it can monitor. So it can monitor at 1, 2 or 3 meters distance from the camera. So if you live near if you live next to a road or a pavement, as I do, then set it to near 1 meter, and that way you won't get all the passing traffic and the passing footfall setting off your camera. Now, if you're wondering about people just taking the doorbell, yanking it and running off, it does have an alarm that sounds if that happens. When I was looking for a video doorbell to actually review and for a manufacturer to approach, I had a look at all the comments and questions and things like that on Amazon. And one interesting thing that I found with the 360 is that, for a start, they answered their questions. And in one of the questions, it was something about what happens if it just gets snatched off and stolen. And the answer from the seller was that it comes with a 1-year theft insurance, 1-year theft warranty, whatever you want to call it. So if it gets stolen within a year, then they'll just send you a new one. That struck me as being quite awesome, actually. Now, ways of fitting it to your wall. If you live in an apartment complex or with a flat sort of solid surface, then it does come with 3M tape, or alternatively the back plate has screw holes for bricks and things like that. Now, the doorbell also has 2-way audio, so as with some but not all, you can talk to whoever is at the door and say, go away or leave my parcel around the back. Right, a few things to note. The doorbell isn't fully waterproof. It is suitable for places like doorways where it's protected by a canopy, somewhere like that. I'll show you my doorway. Mine is protected by a canopy. It comes out about 45 centimeters, 18 inches from the wall. So I'll show you what that's like, then you can compare it to yours, see how it goes. If there's one thing as males like doing, it's comparing sizes. So power-wise, it has an internal rechargeable battery. You should get about 2 to 3 months continuous use out of it. Okay, right, so let's get on with the unboxing. Right, so this is... Get out of the way. Right, one thing I forgot to mention is one feature that this doorbell does have that I won't be using personally is a facial recognition feature. So basically when somebody comes to the door, you can pre-program it with different faces, and then it will let you know who is at the door. or once they've been to the door once, you can tell them who it is and it'll remember them for the future. Now, no offense China, but I don't know where this information is being processed, so I'm personally not going to be using it just because of people's privacy. It's not a technology that I want to see go widespread. What I may do is I may give it a shot just for this promo, just for this review, and see how it goes then. One thing I do plan on doing is completely disconnecting the doorbell from the cloud, not allowing it any internet access whatsoever. And if it still has the facial recognition feature, then that means that all the data is stored with me, and it's something I will reconsider. Okay, I'll let this more and carry on. Here's the box. It's a box. Awesome. Right, things as they come. So let's start with the main one. So there it is. I quite like it. It's got a camera. I assume that's the microphone. I assume light sensor. Doorbell. This lights up blue, I believe. Underneath we have speaker and possibly microphone. No, microphone's there. Underneath we have speaker. And this at the top, I believe, is, well, it's called a teardown hole. I think that is where you insert the key to take it out, to get it off the wall. Okay, so what else we got? So here we have the back plate. Now, as I said, it does come with 3M tape if you want to fix this to the wall and just attach it, or alternatively it comes with screw holes. You can put a sticker on the wall which will give you your drill template if you're drilling. Okay, here we have the key to take it off the wall. We have an instruction booklet that is as thick as whatever you like. Page 1 to page 15 are in English. Page 15 up to page 195 are other languages. Right, we've got a sticker to put somewhere. Please use the doorbell. Now this is the chime kit. It plugs into a wall socket, or well, plugs into something. Plugs into an electrical outlet, put it that way. It accepts the SD card. It has a set button. It comes with a variety of socket attachments. They are quite easy to use. You just look in the box, find the one that you want, get it out of the bag, put it in, twist on, and there we go, one UK attachment fitted. Right, so let's fold that back up and let's carry on looking. So we have, I believe that's for America, I'm not sure. That looks like EU, and that one I don't know. Okay, what else we got? We have a micro SD USB cable, and that plugs into the back to charge it up. We also have a screw kit if you want to screw it to your wall. Now that, I believe, is everything. Hello everybody, my name's John. I'm a part-time YouTuber. It's been 2 months since my last YouTube video. Hello John. Thank you.